Absolutely not. This guy has ideas and he's not even funny. To the police station, I'm going to take you to the police station. I will report it. Yes.
I saw a little boom going to the front and crying. How called me that time? Would you the loan, remember? Another line. And get you the loan back. Working on it. 3,500 Ghana cities. So you guys are sweating down your hands. I don't know how you guys are doing it. No problem. Yes, I mean.
He's following us. He's so good. This guy's more dangerous than we think he is. 3,500 cities.
What?
God help us.
This is madness. We have to face the knowledge.
Yeah.